Zelt Parker here, and welcome to my first video of murder missions. The goal of murder missions is to kill as many people slash zombies, or depending on what game I'm doing, with a specific item. I'm doing a chainsaw this time. As you can see, I'm at 23,600, so we precisely know. Let's crank this up and let's get started. Well, actually, I'm probably going to drop it. Oh, sweet. Okay, so love the way it just slices them to pieces. I wonder if I can do like a super. Oh, okay, I can do a spin. I'm wearing my sports fan outfit because I think I was gonna do a drug test. Okay, well that was simply the first episode, short and sweet. I managed to kill 30 zombies with the chainsaw. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe for more. I own nothing, only for entertainment. Thanks for watching.